5504, Ichanes Jesus. Master, saan naman Master? Okay. Fourth place goes to number 5502, Apor Emanueleto. Fourth place. Yes, sir. And our third place, number 5505, Epe Dominic. Sir Epe Dominic. Asan mo? Dara. Oh, Dara. Second place goes to number 5503, Silawan Ray. Silawan Ray. Second place. And our first place goes to number 5509, Saavedra Ernie. Wow. Si Saad, ang first si number 5509, Saavedra Ernie. Asa naman si Saavedra? Ada sir, ada sir. Nagainis pa din. Okay, and now, katong nakadawat sa mga certificates mo, please come to the stage para makakil na kung saan ang victorious. Okay, asan na mo? Okay. Okay.